we will demonstrate you the patent hemostasis technique. This technique has been instrumental to reduce the radial artery occlusion rate to less than 2%. The procedure is over and now the sheath is being removed partially. You can see about 2 centimeters of the sheath has been removed outside the skin. This is the TR band from Terumo with syringe. TR band has got an inflatable cuff or an airbag. You can see this is to be applied just above the skin puncture level. You can see the green spot which is to be applied at the skin puncture level, and this is how the TR band is being tied. Now about 15 cc of air is being taken in the syringe and is being introduced through the side port, and you can see the cuff, the airbag being inflated over there. Now the sheath is being slowly removed and sheath has been removed. You can see the puncture site, which is actually a very clean puncture site. Now air is removed slowly, 1 cc by 1 cc, just to make sure that you get some spot of blood coming out from the puncture site. It is yet not seen. We are removing the air. In this case, still it is not seen. And now you can see we have removed about 5 cc of air and it is seen, and now we are injecting about 1.5 cc just to make sure that the bleeding has stopped. So overall about 11.5 to 12 cc of air has been sufficient enough to stop the bleeding, yet to keep the flow patent across the radial artery. This is known as patent hemostasis, and this technique has been very popular and extensively being used across the world, and it has been instrumental to reduce the radial artery occlusion rate to less than 2%.